Now, dear student, the next plugin today we are going to install and discuss is the that will help you in generating the coil on your PCB. Let's go to plugin and content manager, and in the plugin and content manager search for coil generator, PCB coil generator. This is the plugin that will help you to make a coil on the PCB that if you are going to design a planar transformer or motor coils on your PCB, then you can use this plugin to generate those coils. So click on this, click on install, and click on apply pending changes, and all operations completed successfully. Close, and again close this, and let's create our new project. Go to file, new project, and on the desktop let's say I am going to name this as coil, and let's save and go to PCB editor. It's take little time to load the PCB editor. So over here in the PCB editor you can go to tools, external plugins, and we have now the third plugin, that is coil generator. Click on this, and you can name the footprint, layer count if you want to choose 1, 2 or 4 layers, and the tons per layer, 12 output diameter. If you set all these settings and then you click on the generate coil, and you can see that we have this very nice coil over here. So similarly you can add tracks over here by clicking on this. You can connect this and route anywhere like this, and you can also make connection with this one and draw and connect this coil with your circuit. Let's say let's delete this and let's make a 2-layer coil. Similarly go to tool, external plugin, coil generator. In the layers let's change to 2 layers, and then click on generate coil, and now you can see that we have coil that is on top layer on the front copper as well as on the bottom copper. And you can also add track to these terminals like over here, and similarly to these, so that you can connect your coil with the rest of your circuitry. So this coil generator will help you to design your coil on your PCB. Let's see how this looks in our 3D viewer. Go to view and 3D viewer, and this is the coil that you are going to see on your PCB. So let's flip this. This is the bottom side and this is the front side of the coil. So in this way you can use this plugin, coil generator plugin, to generate a coil on your PCB or add a coil like footprint on the PCB.